it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your screen is blur, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing is clear.
Now it is clear.
सर हल्का हल्का दिख रहा है, हो जाएगा।
No, sir. It is not clear.
पूरा ब्लर है, क्या बोलते हो तू? हम
दिख रहा है भाई,
सर
स्क्रीनशॉट
इसमें
भेजे।
सर इसमें समझ में आ जाएगा, लेकिन
इतना में समझ में आ जाएगा।
हाँ सर, कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
Okay. Okay, so today we are going for the compound angle.
Sir, nothing visible, sir.
पूरा ब्लर आ रहा है सर पूरा।
Sir, nothing is visible.
हमारा वाला मरा था कहीं जाके।
Just a minute, wait for 1 minute. Compound angle. So compound angle started with sine of a plus b. If we take that
Good
sine
afternoon.
of, good afternoon, sine of a plus b, where a, b both of the given angles are here. So it is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a plus b. This is the formula, and then sine
Afternoon,
of, good afternoon to everybody. Sine of a minus b equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Then cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Is it visible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tan of a plus b, that means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan
We
b.
are vision, sir.
Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. These are the general formula for compound angle. A, B both are the acute angle. Then a plus b, sine of a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a minus b equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. These are the formulas, right? So by this we have to find out some relation which is given here. So we have to remember all those things. हम लोग को ये सब जो फॉर्मूला है इसको याद करना होगा, हर जगह में ये सब फॉर्मूला काम में आएगा, ठीक है? ये फॉर्मूला देके भी हम लोग कुछ फॉर्मूला एक्स्ट्रा बना सकते हैं, वो सब भी हम लोग बाद में बनाएंगे. So at first we are going for some example.
सर cot a plus b का
Cot of a plus b वो भी है, cot of a minus b भी है, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Oh, cot of a plus b, that is cot of a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, cot b plus cot a, and cot of a
Sir,
minus
blur
b equal to
vision, sir. Excuse me, sir.
cot of, yes, बोलो.
Blur vision.
हाँ,
We are getting blur vision, sir.
क्लियर है भाई.
Now,
पूरा क्लियर है. Those who are getting blur, that means they have no network.
क्लियर है सर.
Now it is very clear to me, and also those who are have the network, no network issue, they have got the clear. Right now, those who are getting blurred, that means that is their network issue, right? Cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. These are the trigonometric compound angles are given here. It is clearly, देखो अभी दिख रहा है ठीक ठाक.
यस सर, क्लियर है सर.
क्लियर है सर.
Now, if we take that sine A plus B into sine A minus B, that is sine square A minus sine square B. From here we can find out some formula, sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. That is equal to sine square A minus sine square B. Sine square A minus sine square B. Or it can be written as cos square B minus cos square A. Now cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. That can be written that cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. And in terms of, it can be written that cos square B minus sin square A. Cos square B minus sin square A. So these are the some formula and some extensions are given here. So we are going for some examples. Now take an example. Here it is given that
सर ब्लर आ रहा है सर.
जिसका ब्लर आ रहा है उसका नेटवर्क देखो. It is very clear to everybody, isn't it?
clear है sir.
यस सर. यस सर.
अब it is very clear to everybody. अभी जिनका ब्लर आ रहा है उसका नेटवर्क इशू है. Now we are taking one example. If sin A equal to 3 by 5, sin A equal to 3 by 5, and value of A 0 less than A less than pi by 2, and cos B, and value of cos B is given as minus 12 by 13, minus 12 by 13, minus 12 by 13, and here pi less than B less than 3 pi by 2. Less than 3 pi by 2. Find the value of Sine of a minus b. Number 1 is given sine of a minus b. Number 2 is given cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b. And number 3 is given tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. We have to find out these three. So at first we are going for first one, that is 1 sine of a minus b. So we recall the formula. Sine of a minus b means sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. That is equation number 1. We are given that. The value of sine a is given. Sine a is equal to 3 by 5. So cos a, from here we can find out cos a. Cos a is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus sine square a is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. So value of cos a is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus 9 by 25 is equal to plus minus root over 25 minus 9 by 25, that is plus minus root over 16 by 25 is equal to plus minus 4 by 5. Plus minus 4 by 5. Now, as 0 less than a less than pi by 2, so angle A is in first quadrant. Angle A is first quadrant, so cos A equal to positive part, that is 4 by 5. Right? As angle this is given into the first quadrant, so we are taking the positive side. Now again here it is that given that cos B equal to minus 12 by 13, and here pi, that is third quadrant, B lies in third quadrant, lies in third. Third quadrant. All sine, tan in third quadrant except tan and cot, all are the negative.
हेलो
So
सर.
sine also will be negative. Yes.
सर क्वाड्रेंट के बारे में सर कुछ बता दीजिए ना, एक भी क्लास में कुछ नहीं बताया है.
क्वाड्रेंट के बारे में बताया नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है.
नो सर.
एक मिनट जिसको हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं उसके बाद बता देते हैं.
फुल दिखाई मैप लेंगे.
अभी तो ठीक है एकदम बाबू. अभी जिनका ब्लर आ रहा है उसका नेटवर्क इशू है.
ब्लर इसलिए तो दिखाई ना इसका स्नैप लेंगे फॉर्मूला.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है सर.
हाँ
आप देखिए ग्रुप में भेज देंगे.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेना सर, फुल पेज दिखाइए ना.
जस्ट अ मिनट. ठीक है, बाद में हम इसका ये करके तुम लोग को दे देंगे. ठीक है, आनविक सर को हम
भेज दिया ग्रुप में सर.
यस सर.
हाँ आनविक सर को हम दे देंगे. सर भेज देगा तुम लोगों को, क्योंकि हम तो तुम लोगों का ग्रुप में है नहीं ना. So sin b equal to plus minus 1 minus cos square b is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus cos square b. That means minus 12 by 13 whole square is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus 144 by 169 is equal to plus minus root over 169 minus 144 by 169, that is plus minus root over 25 by 169 is equal to plus minus root that is 5 by 13. As B is in third quadrant, so sin B is negative. So value of sin B equal to minus 5 by 13. ठीक है, तो sin B का वैल्यू निकल गया, cos A का वैल्यू निकल गया. So from here we just put the value of sin A. Look at equation number 1. We have to find out that value of sin of A minus B. Value of sin of A minus B. That is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now we got the value of sin A. From sin A we have getting the value of cos A. Sin A cos A both are given. So sin A cos A. Here cos B is given. We can put here, and sin B also we have find out here. So putting all these values, and after calculation we got the result of this. Is it clear?
Yes,
All
sir.
the 4 parts which are required we have calculated here. Now we have to put here. Now you have a issue that you do not know about the quadrant, no?
Yes,
Just a
sir.
minute.
Yes, sir.
I'm first going for what is the quadrant and how it is measured. So it is the x-axis and y-axis. They are cutting at the origin O. So this first part, this is called the first quadrant. This is called the second quadrant. This is called the third quadrant. And this is called the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all positive. First quadrant angle, if we take that angle theta, here theta lies between 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. 0 to 90 degree. This is the first quadrant. So here all the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, all are positive when the angle is given 0 to pi by 2. Now for the second quadrant, here sine and cosec, sine and reciprocal of sine is cosec. These two are positive, and all other sine and cosec is positive and all other are negative. That means sec, cosec, sine and cosec is positive. That means cos, sec, tan, cot, all are negative. Here angle is pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. That means 90 degree to 180 degree. This is the second quadrant. Right, here the angle lies between pi by 2 to pi. Now third quadrant, all sine tan, here tan and cot, these are the positive, all other are negative. Here the angle is lies between pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. That means 180 to 270 degree. When the angle is 180, more than 180 and less than 270 degree, then we can say that it is lies into the third quadrant. In this third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, all other trigonometric ratios are negative. In fourth quadrant, it is cos and sec. Cos and sec, reciprocal of cos is sec, they are the positive. Here the angle is 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi. That means if the angle is 270 degree to 360 degree, then it is lies into the fourth quadrant. This is the quadrant matter. Now
Sir,
here,
sir, what is the reason
bolo.
that sir, what is the reason that some are positive and some are negative?
Actually it is coming from the circular angle. Those part is not in your syllabus and it is yet not to be given to you people. In this position you are not supposed to got this. It is from 3 dimension, it is coming here, and you are take it as the one normal situation that in first quadrant all positive, in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, all other negative. So this is all. Then if we take that only the first one, then all sine, tan, cos, these are coming into the anti-clockwise. All sine, tan, cos, all sine, tan, cos, right? So it can be taken that like that, all school to college. If we quote this, all school to college, that means all positive first quadrant. Second part, first word is S, means sine. Sine means reciprocal of sine also positive. Then T means tan, and reciprocal of tan, cot is positive in the third quadrant. And here college, first word is C. C means the cos, and reciprocal of cos is sec. These are positive. So if we remember this one, all sine, tan, cos, it will be coming. Either we can remember that all sine, tan, cos, otherwise all school to college, taking the first word of all. All means the all positive in the first quadrant. S means the sine positive. If sine positive, then reciprocal of sine, that is cosec also positive in the second quadrant. In third quadrant, T, 2. So T is the first word. So tan is positive. So reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot is also positive. And college, first word C, cos is positive into the fourth quadrant, as well as reciprocal of cos is sec. Sec is also positive. Is it clear? So you have to remember this one. If the value of theta 0 to 90 degree, then it is first quadrant. Whatever may be the trigonometrical ratio in first quadrant, they all are positive. If the value of theta greater than 90, less than 180, then it is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. All other 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. If it is into the third quadrant, that is 180 to 270 degree, then tan and cot is positive. All 4 others trigonometrical ratios are negative. When into the fourth quadrant, that is 270 to 360 degree, then sec and cos is the positive, and all other 4 trigonometrical ratios are negative. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we have to remember something more also, like that. Do you have any idea that sine of minus theta means? What is the value of sine of minus theta?
Minus sine theta.
Sir, I don't know,
And
sir.
what? And cos of minus theta means?
Cos theta.
Cos theta.
Cos theta, right? Sine of 0 degree, what is the value of sine 0?
0.
What is the value of cos 0?
1.
1.
Why sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta? Who can give me the answer?
No idea, sir.
Why sine 0 degree equal to 0 but cos 0 1?
Not knowing, sir.
I don't know,
Don't-
sir. Actually, at
Don't
all.
know, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you only explain, sir.
Look at here. We know that this is the total value of the sine theta is theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus theta to the power 7 by factorial 7 plus dot dot towards infinity. This is the value of sine theta, right? If we give, this is the equation number 1. In infinite series, we can write down as sine theta as Sin theta, value of sin theta is theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus theta to the power 7 by factorial 7 plus dot dot. This is the value of sin theta. Now putting theta equal to minus theta in both sides, we get put theta equal to minus theta. Then left hand side it will be given sine of minus theta is equal to this theta will be given minus theta minus theta whole cube by factorial 3 plus minus theta whole to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus theta whole to the power 7 by factorial 7 plus dot 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 is equal to, it will be given minus theta. Here the power of minus is odd, so it will be coming minus theta cube, na?
Yes, sir.
This minus minus it will be given
Yes, sir.
plus. So plus theta cube by factorial 3. Here one minus will be coming, so minus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus minus plus theta to the power 7 by factorial 7. Then this
सर वह
plus
5 हो प्लस होगा
हाँ
सर वह प्लस होगा थीटा टू द पावर 5 के पहले
प्लस इधर में माइनस थीटा टू द पावर 5 होगा ना.
और
Minus
हाँ
theta.
सर
माइनस
हाँ सर ठीक है
So if we take common minus from here, then it will be given that theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus theta to the power 7 by factorial 7 plus dot dot dot. Isn't it? This is the value of form equation number 1. Whose value is this within the second bracket? Instead of this second bracket, we can write down that sin
Sin
theta.
theta. Yes, sir.
yes sir sin theta sir.
So from here, we can prove that sine of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Now is it understood?
Yes sir, yes.
Why sine of minus theta equal to minus sin theta?
यस सर
Now putting theta equal to 0 in both sides of 1. एक नंबर के दोनों तरफ में थीटा इक्वल टू 0 पुट कर दो, then it will be coming sin 0 degree is equal to 0 minus 0 cube by factorial 3 plus 0 to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus 0 to the power 7 by factorial 7 plus dot dot dot, all these 0, so it will be given 0. So sin value of sin 0 degree is 0. Is it clear now? Why sin 0 degree equal to 0? अभी समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going for the cos. Value of cos theta equal to, cos theta is equal to theta to the power 0 by factorial 0 minus theta square by factorial 2 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus theta to the power 6 by factorial 6 plus dot 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 towards infinity. This is the value of cos theta in infinite series. Right? Theta to the power 0 means what?
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर अब साइन ने पावर जो है वो ओड नंबर में क्यों लिए हैं?
वही है साइन का वैल्यू, साइन थीटा का वैल्यू ही वही है. इनफाइनाइट सीरीज में वैल्यू ऑफ साइन थीटा इज दिस एंड वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस थीटा इज इवन नंबर.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, तो कॉस थीटा का नाउ थीटा टू द पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1, वी नो दैट. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ फैक्टोरियल 0?
1, sir.
1
1
by 1 it will be
Yes,
coming
1.
1 minus theta square by factorial 2 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus theta to the power 6 by factorial 6 plus dot dot dot. This is the equation number 3. So value of cos theta is coming this. This is the value of cos theta. Putting theta equal to minus theta in both sides, we get दोनों तरफ थीटा इक्वल टू माइनस थीटा पुट करो. So then it will be coming cos of minus theta is equal to 1 minus theta whole square by factorial 2 plus minus theta whole to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus theta whole to the power 6 by factorial 6 plus dot dot towards infinity. So 1 minus theta whole square, here all the power is even. So minus theta square minus theta to the power 4 minus theta to the power 6 all will be given positive, na?
Yes, sir.
So all
Yes,
will be
sir.
given positive. So it will be given 1 minus theta square by factorial 2 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus theta to the power 6 by factorial 6 plus dot dot towards infinity. इसका मतलब ही है cos theta, ना? Look at
Yes,
equation
sir.
number 3. So we can write down that this is equal to cos theta. So from here we can conclude that cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Clear? Why sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta and why cos of minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Now look at the equation number 3. If we put both sides theta equal to 0, then cos 0 equal to all this thing will be given 0, but 1 will be remaining. So that is why cos 0 equal to 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी से और नहीं बोलोगे तो क्यों cos 0 1 and sin 0 0 हम लोग नहीं जानते. ठीक. So we are going for our next studies. तुम लोग का दिक्कत हो रहा है मेरा क्लास में कुछ.
नो सर, अब क्लियर है सब.
Is clear? No, sir. Clear है, sir. No any objection.
ऑब्जेक्शन करके क्या फायदा होगा. ऑब्जेक्शन करोगे तो हम चल जाएंगे. देखो अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो हाँ बोलो.
सर रिज्वाइन करना है क्या?
नहीं नहीं अभी तो हम कुछ लिखे नहीं है.
हेलो सर.
नहीं कटेगा भाई.
हेलो सर.
मेरा तो 1 घंटा देगा. तुम लोग का क्या फ्री वर्जन है ना. 1 घंटा नहीं देगा तो रिजाइन करो जिनका नहीं है.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर शेड्यूल में मैथ का क्लास एवरीडे है सर, बट एवरीडे क्लास होता नहीं है सर.
कहाँ पे?
सर क्लास रूटीन में सर मैथ का शेड्यूल एवरीडे है सर, बट एवरीडे होता नहीं है सर. जब रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं तब मैथ का क्लास होता है सर.
देखो हम 6 दिन का 6 दिन ही क्लास लेते हैं. ठीक है. किस दिन तुम लोग का ग्रुप, किस दिन और ग्रुप का. हफ्ता में 2 दिन तो क्लास हो रहा है तुम लोग का सभी का.
सर शेड्यूल में सर और भी है सर.
और भी है तो हम क्या करें बोलो. मेरा कॉलेज में मेरा जो 14 क्लासेस है उसके सिवा भी हम तुम लोग को क्लास ले रहा है. तो इससे ज़्यादा हम नहीं ले पाएंगे. और हमको यही बोला गया था 10 तारीख तक तुम लोग को क्लास लेने के लिए. ठीक है. अभी तो 7 तारीख हो ही गया है. इसके बाद क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं है. इसके बाद तो तुम लोग का सेकेंड सेम चालू होगा ना.
यस सर, मंडे से.
हेलो, आप और कोई कॉलेज में पढ़ाते हैं क्या सर?
हाँ हम चाईबासा कॉलेज में ही पढ़ाते हैं.
ओ
चाईबासा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, सर.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. ठीक है. हम
ठीक
लोग
है
और
सर. ठीक है सर.
ठीक है. जितना कोशिश होता है मेरे से जितना होता है हम करा देंगे. ठीक है. अगर बाद में भी जरूरत पड़ेगा तो हम नंबर दे देंगे. तुम लोग का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो हमको भेजो. हम उसको सॉल्व करके तुम लोग को देने का कोशिश करेंगे. हम ये
ओके
वादा
सर.
नहीं कर सकते सब कुछ दे पाएंगे लेकिन कोशिश करेंगे. हम कभी कोई स्टूडेंट खतरे में है हम भाग के नहीं गए हैं. कोशिश पूरा करेंगे. अच्छा, और एक थिंग है, देखो अगर हम लोग को ये वैल्यू निकालना है साइन ऑफ -1125 डिग्री, इसका वैल्यू हम लोग को निकालना है, ठीक है। तो पहले ही हम लोग पढ़ लिया था साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा इक्वल टू माइनस साइन थीटा, है ना।
Yes, sir.
यस सर। सर
तो हाँ बोलो।
सर बोल रहे हैं डोमेन एंड रेंज ऑफ ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन एक बार बता दीजिएगा।
वो तो ट्राइगोनोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा बाबू।
वो अगला चैप्टर में वो।
देखो हम लोग जानते हैं साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा इक्वल टू माइनस साइन थीटा, ठीक है। तो माइनस को हम लोग बाहर निकाल लिया। अभी ये जो ये है इसको 90 से डिवाइड करो, 1125 90 से डिवाइड करो तो कितना होगा, एक बार ना, कितना होगा रिजल्ट बताओ, हम नहीं लिखेंगे इधर।
हेलो सर,
हाँ बोलो, इसका रिजल्ट कितना होगा।
12.5।
12.5 सर।
नो सर
12
19, नो सर 90 into 12, 90 into 12,
90
1.5 होगा सर।
90 into
Into?
12 plus 45
प्लस 45
जी
क्या होगा,
is equal to sin 45 degree।
इक्वल टू माइनस साइन 12 इंटू 90 डिग्री प्लस 45 डिग्री।
जी is equal to minus sin 45 degree।
हम ये लिख नहीं सकते माइनस साइन 13 इंटू 90 डिग्री माइनस 45 डिग्री,
यस
ये ले
सर,
सकते ये, है ना।
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
We can write either 12 into 90 degree plus 45 or 13 into 90 degree minus 45, ठीक है। So if it is so, now we have to show that here if the multiple of 90 degree का जो multiple है अगर ये even होगा then sin will be sin, ठीक है। जो साइन है वो साइन रहेगा। उसके बाद हम लोग को देखना है ये टोटल जो एंगल है, ये एंगल कौन कहाँ पे है। देखो एक बार ये पूरा है तो 360 डिग्री हो गया, देन अनदर पार्ट 720, देन अनदर पार्ट, है ना। 3 बार इसको
-1 होगा सर।
लास्ट में ये 45 डिग्री दैट इज यहाँ पे होगा, दैट इज फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में होगा ना। ये एंगल 1125
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस
ये
सर।
3 बार पूरा पाक मारेगा, उसके बाद 45 डिग्री जाएगा, दैट मींस इट इज फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट। तो
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल ट्राइगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज आर पॉजिटिव, so which sign is given that is another matter. So as it is the even number, so sign will be remain sign and here it will be 45 degree. When we are calculate about this one, here also this angle into the same in the first quadrant, so sign negative is here, but multiple of 90 degree is odd here na 13, so sign will be coming into the complementary of sign. Complementary of sign is cos 45 degree. Now put here minus sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Otherwise if we put the value of cos 45 degree, that is also root 2. So both of the cases result are coming same na. If
Yes,
you are
sir.
taking 12 into 90 plus 45 and someone is taking that 13 into 90 minus 45, both of the cases result will be coming same. दोनों केसेस में तुम लोगों का रिजल्ट एक ही आएगा, ठीक है। तो ये सब भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं, इधर में डिग्री में दिया, ये एंगल रेडियन में भी दे सकते हैं, then you have to change it into the degree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
और ट्राइगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो का जो कंपाउंड एंगल दिखा है उसका जो प्रॉब्लम हम लोग कर रहा था वो प्रॉब्लम अभी हम लोग कर पाएंगे. So here some problems are given. We have to mind it. Find the value of, here it is given, find the value of tan 15 degree. tan 15 डिग्री का वैल्यू निकालना है. तुम लोग को पता है व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 15? जानते हो
नो
तुम
सर,
लोग?
नो सर.
सर टाइम चाहिए इसके लिए, सॉल्व करेंगे सर.
tan 15 degree can be written that tan of 60 degree minus 45 degree. 60 minus 45 equal to 15. That is tan of a minus b. That is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan 60 means root 3 minus 1 by
2 minus
1,
root 3 sir.
1 plus
2 minus
root 3 into 1. That is root 3 minus 1 by 1 plus root 3. So root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Then it will be given that 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, and here it will be given 3 minus 1. That is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. That is 2 minus root 3. Yeah, समझ में? We are just
Yes,
putting
sir.
the value of this. So sin 15 degree, but here I am taking that 60 degree minus 40 degree. Someone can take that 45 degree minus 30 degree also, है ना?
Yes,
Then,
Yes, sir.
then they can put the value of tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree. So by this help of our compound angle, we can find out the multiple of 15 degree into this ratio. Clear?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the time now? Time is running out. Now some identities are given that if we say that if cos of alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2. Prove that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to sin alpha plus sin gamma is equal to 0. ठीक है, ये प्रूव करना है. So here it is given cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha. This is equal to minus 3 by 2. It is given. So cos of a minus b, alpha minus beta, it is making into the cos of a minus b. That is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Now plus cos of beta minus gamma, that is cos beta cos gamma plus sin beta sin gamma. Then cos of gamma minus alpha, that is cos gamma cos alpha plus sin gamma sin alpha, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. So after multiplying by this 2, then it will be coming 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha is equal to -3, or this -3
सर
can be
पूरा ब्लर दिख रहा है।
सर ये क्या है सर?
सर क्लियर है सर, इट इज क्लियर।
it is very clear. I have get the feedback from my laptop.
Very clear, sir.
जिसका ब्लर दिख रहा है उसका इशू है। This -3 can be taken here, 1 plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus actually we can take that 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha. This one is can be written plus 1 can be written sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Another one can be written as sin square beta plus cos square beta. Another one can be written that sin square gamma plus cos square gamma, that is equal to 0. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 can be written sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Another one sin square beta plus cos square beta. Another one sin square gamma cos square gamma. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Is it clear? Now we are going for next part. So we can take that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha. This is equal to 0. Some first part it can be written cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square, and from this part it can be written sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma whole square equal to 0. As the square sum is equal to 0, so both are individually 0. So from here we can write down that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. That is our 2. Is it clear? We are
Yes,
just
sir.
making 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is taken that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, cos square beta plus sin square beta, cos square gamma plus sin square gamma. So in your given proof there will be must be there some indication what to do. Now we are going for another problem. If alpha beta are acute angle, if alpha beta are acute angles such that tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta equal to 1 by 2m plus 1. Then prove that alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Value of tan alpha and value of tan beta are given. In terms of m, we have to prove that alpha plus beta pi by 2. Now, solution. Now, tan of alpha plus beta. We know that it is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now put the value of tan alpha. Tan alpha means m by m plus 1 plus 1 by 2m plus 1. This is 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. Then it will be given the m into 2m plus 1 plus m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Whole thing by, here also the LCM is here it will be m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. This m plus 1 2m plus 1 will be cut. Then it will be coming that 2m square plus m plus m plus 1. By here it is 2m square plus 2m plus m plus 1 minus m. Then minus m plus m cut. Then it is 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Here also it is 2m square plus 2m plus 1. So both are cut. It is coming 1. 1 can be written that tan of pi by 4. So from here tan of alpha plus beta equal to tan of pi by 4. So alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. आया समझ में?
यस सर।
It is clear.
I think our time is over. It is?
सर
हाँ बोलो.
बोल रहे थे सर 10
बताओ.
तारीख से हम लोग का सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का पढ़ाई होगा सर.
10 तारीख से सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का पढ़ाई होगा. हाँ
सर,
बोल. तो
10 तारीख से हम लोग को क्या पढ़ा जाएगा सर?
10 तारीख से हम एक्चुअली हम टू मच बिजी फॉर द बीटेक इन आवर माय कॉलेज. देयर आर already given that 14 classes for 5 days. So per day I have to take the 3 classes. Yet I will try to take some classes from you people, right? I'll try it. If any request is coming from your college side, then I'll obviously try for you people. Don't worry. But it is too much tough for me. Per day I have to take the 3 and 4 this kind of the classes. If it is the offline
Which
class,
class
then
है?
it is no possible. अगर ऑफलाइन क्लास होता तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं था तुम लोगों को. एक्चुअली हम आज तुम लोग को बता रहा है तुम लोगों का ये क्लास हम 16 साल के बाद ये क्लास ले रहा है. कोई डिप्लोमा या एचएस लेवल का क्लास. एक्चुअली आई
सर
हैव
आप
टेकन
पढ़ाते किसको है सर?
बीटेक.
बीटेक लोग को?
यस. तो इसीलिए आई डू नॉट हैव एनी preparation to take your classes also. So there is no preparation is required. I know that. You can say that the preparation is not required yet. To take any classes, some preparation is required ना. तुम लोग पढ़ा है कभी कोई? कुछ कोशिश करो, जब तुम लोगों का घर में छोटा भाई है या बहन है तो उन लोग को भी पढ़ाओ, तब देखो तुम लोग को अपना पढ़ाई क्लियर हो जाएगा. When you are going to teach somebody, then your doubt will be clear. Because of that, some question will be coming reverts back to you. जो क्वेश्चन आएगा ना, वो तुम जब पढ़े थे तुम सोचे ही नहीं कि ऐसा सवाल हो सकता है. जैसे अभी तुम लोग देखो, जितना बच्चा है अभी फिलहाल 33 बच्चा है, तो 33 बच्चा एक एक क्वेश्चन करोगे तो 33 क्वेश्चन मेरे पास आएगा. बट I have never tried this 33 question when I am performing this one ना. जब हम पढ़े थे मेरे मन में ये 33 सवाल आए ही नहीं थे. हार्डली 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन आया था. So that is a very common thing that. So for the next day we are going for the multiple angle.
Hello, sir.
Yes, बोलो.
Sir, I want your number when I have a doubt. So can we call you?
In chat box, can I write down my number?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is my WhatsApp number. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
This is my WhatsApp number. And there is a request. You just give your identity. Yeah.
Yes,
Say,
sir.
who are you, from which college?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thanks to everybody. So let us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Have a nice day.